Hey, this is Mike, episode 27 here, and I'm going to dive into a little bit of the background of why I came to Iraq to run one of these marathons, and that was to raise money for people that were displaced, had their homes crushed by ISIS, and now can go back but didn't have the funds to do that. So I was hoping to get to one of those locations, but my visa did not allow me through checkpoints to do that. So I had to stay in the Kurdish area, but I was able to meet with a guy, and that's what you're going to see here. You're going to hear some of the story and see some of the videos from what his home looked like then to what it was now. So this is one that has been repaired, and he shares also about others that still need the help, and that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. You know, it's an ongoing need, and that's what this special episode is about.
Yeah, so
this is the condition of
Yeah.
found the house.
how they found out after the liberation.
This is the destruction of it. It was just ransacked. Now we can see. Furniture was broken.
All the furniture broke it and throw it in one room.
And the ceilings tore up, so it was just, ripped out, gutted.
دخلت بغرفته لقيتها محروقة متبشة على يعني مو على الملابس بس على أبويا من طلب شيء وما قدرت أحققه إياه.
Yeah, one of the things that like when he went out first time, his father, like he's an old man, he asked him like about his clothes, like on the storage. He told him like bring it to me, you know. That he like his father picked up some clothes that he wanted. When he go back there, he found it like all of it burned. Yeah, so he cried about the situation because his father was like, he's an old man and he's asking about something. It's simple, but like it's important to him, and
it was gone.
It's gone. Yeah.
They burnt the whole first floor of the.
Yeah.
So baby steps of progress in Karakosh now. So there's his parents are back in the house, his brother's in the house, but the community around is still slowly coming back.
Yeah. Yes. So Samaritan Spurs deal with the Catholic Church in Karakosh.
Yeah.
So the church did a community about like deciding whose and when and how much cost for each house.
Yep.
So this community, like because his house is a little bit like outside the city.
Yep.
And it's burned, so they put it like in the waiting list after the F is finished.
Wow. So it needed lots of work.
اللي هي كنا يعني متأيسين بعد مرض أبويا وأمي وحالة اكتئاب من وراء البيت المحروق.
And because like and like at that time we became desperate about like because my father and my mom like was there, so disappointed and sad. His father became to be sick because like his sadness on the house.
فكنا نصلي.
And we start to pray like.
قلت له يا رب تكون هي مشيئتك قبل مشيئتنا يا رب أنت تدخل.
Let your will like become before our will.
أحفظ لي أبويا وأمي.
And like protect my parents.
ما أعرف وجالي قرار من صوت الله.
And like then like.
ورا فترة يعني.
After a little bit while like there was like a voice from God.
اللي هو بشرني بها واحد من فريق من منظمة السامر الصالح قال اجى قرار تعمير بيتك.
Like one of the team like in Karakosh, he called him and he says like there was a decision to fix your house.
Okay.
من اجى القرار فرحت أنا هواية بس
when this decision came, like I became so happy.
أرجع البيت أهلي اللي أبوي وأمي تبشرهم أقول لهم هذا الشيء فطارت الفرحة من عليهم.
شنو مفتاح؟
رجعنا من يوم السفر من قال لي ما في حق أكمل لك البيت. فما رجعت من ساعة السفر رحت بشرت أبوي وأمي فتغيروا رأسا
Yeah.
كان بدهم يتهلهلوا.
So when I came back, like I saw them sad, and like I just give them the good news that the house will be fixed. So
صار عندنا ظنين
like
أمل.
they became so happy and they have the hope again.
Yes.
صار في أمل بالرجعة يعني أمل بالإعمار عم بنرجع.
There was some hope to go back again to our homes, to our city.
اللي خلى أبوي بعدين هو يرجع ينظف البيت ويذب الوساخات
So my father, he was so excited about it. So he go back to the with the workers and start to clean his house with the
Yes,
builders.
nice.
And God like really love people and love the goodness for everyone.
نشكر الله على كل شيء.
Thank God.
Man, yeah. These are
Like
photos from the fixed up house again.
yeah.
Doors, windows, ceilings fixed. Yes.
You know the fan that we saw. Like
Yes, we had a burnout fan
Yeah.
before.
Yeah.
Big solid doors.
No one adaptation. Okay. Sorry. Here.
The lights and the fans. Yeah.
Big room.
Big room.
Yeah. The bathrooms,
Bathrooms good. Yeah.
everything is like done.
Stairs were done. Yes.
Yeah. The electricity, everything, the doors, the locks.
Good. Well, this is good to see.
الثانية بعد التكميلة مالته.
But there's just more that needs to be done. That's the basic idea.
Yeah, there's a lot of more to be done.
Okay, that's a wrap on this special episode to let you know of how these funds are making a difference and the need that is still there. This is a wonderful family, and there are more families just like this who are trying to get back into their homes. Again, the need is ongoing, so if you do still want to go, I am still going to get funds to them through my donation link, which is igiveglobal.org/IraqRace. That's it. I am soon on a plane out of here. It's been a wonderful journey. Thanks for being with me on it.